Good morning, everybody. How you doing? A little louder? All right. Over the last 8 years or so, my family and our company has donated about $700,000 to nonprofit organizations. Last year, we decided that we wanted to have a formal partnership with the Shriners Hospitals for Children. I had the opportunity this morning to meet a young man. He's 8 years old, and his mom, who is here as well. And what's so great about what we're doing is we are helping people right here in our local community. Shriners Hospitals right here in Tampa has been a beneficiary of our efforts. Every week we're making donations to the Shriners Hospitals for Children. And you may not realize it, but the prosthetics that the kids need are very, very expensive. And especially if they're a kid, they're constantly growing. And when you do business with our company, whether it's coming to a seminar, adding software, people who've invested in Vantagepoint Plus, a portion of that is going directly to Shriners. So you guys, whether you realized it or not, have been supporting the Shriners Hospitals for Children. And I'm going to introduce you to a young man who's benefited from that. His name is Xavi. He's 8 years old, and he just got a new leg this week. So he's going to come on up here, show off his new leg, make him feel welcome, and give him a round of applause.
Hi guys, I'm Alicia. This is Xavi. Xavi has been a patient at Shriners since he was 8 months old. He received his amputation at that time. He was born with fibula hemimelia, which was the absence of his fibula. He got his first prosthetic at 12 months old, did 2 weeks of physical therapy, and was walking, doing everything by 14 months old. But anyways, Xavi just received this leg last week. He designed it himself. Shriners is amazing. They always listen to what he wants, which Xavi is a very, when it comes to his legs, he knows what he wants. He's a perfectionist. He designs it. He's like Brian, who's the guy who built his legs. He's like, this is what I want. And Brian's like, whatever, Xavi. So he wanted an athletic leg. It has the blade at the bottom, black carbon fiber. He wanted it to be matte black. Super cool. But we just want to thank everybody on this team, all the customers that support. It means the world to us. Xavi plays baseball. He's played since he was 4, and it's because of Shriners and what they're able to do, and people who donate, like you guys, is why he can play the sport that he loves. He just made the AB team with his first time trying out. This is, yeah. Yay, Xavi! Thank you. We're so proud of him. I actually cried. He tried for probably 3 years, and not once was his name on the list, and this year it was. So as a mom, I was so happy for him. So I just want to thank you guys. It really means a lot for my little boy to walk and run and play, just like any other little boy. Xavi, is there anything you want to say?
Thank you, Shriners.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The event wouldn't be complete without making another large donation to Shriners. So I want to present, and Alicia, if you could come on up here. I want to present Shriners with another $10,000 check, $10,176, and this is going to go directly to Shriners of Tampa. Here, you go on the side. You and I, we're shorter guys. We'll come over here. This is going to go directly to Tampa. So this does not go to some place somewhere else where we don't know where it's going to go, who it's going to help. This young man right here will be a direct beneficiary of this donation, and this donation would not be possible without you guys, the people in this room. So I want to say thank you. This is because of you. This is in your honor, and it's going to make a tremendous difference. So thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Alicia Arguez-Lyons, and I'm with Shriners Hospitals for Children, and I've worked for Shriners for 21 years, and I get to see children's lives transformed like Xavi's every day, and it's remarkable what we're able to do with the generous donation that Market Technologies, Lane, his family, the entire team has given to us this year, over $20,000. Our patients and families are very giving because they appreciate what Shriners has given to them for being able to have the children be independent, and it enables us to purchase the latest, greatest technology to improve the lives and make them more independent. So on behalf of all the children that we treat, the nearly 60,000 children that we treated at our hospital, the families, and everyone at Shriners, thank you so much for your generosity, because if it weren't for you, the donation wouldn't be coming to the children. So we really, really appreciate it. Thank you. So we have all kinds of fun things, and I know you're having a fun day planned, educational as well, for your clients. So thank you again.